Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about image conversion. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to easily convert HEIC file to JPEG file using your window photo viewer without any strain, just like so. So I'm going to use this particular photo as an example. You can see the file type of this photo is HEIC file. So first thing first, go ahead and press enter key. This allows you to load the image with photo viewer on your window PC. Once it's loaded up right here, so you can see the file format here is still in HEIC. So what you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on save as. And this window here is going to come up. Next thing you want to do is to choose your file destination. So I'm going to click on desktop right here. So I'm going to go ahead and save it in the desktop environment. And I'll go ahead and click on save as type right here. I'm going to choose JPEG right here. And then I'll go ahead and click on save. So after a successful save, I'm going to minimize. Now we have it right here. And then this is the new file right here, which is a JPEG. So if I click on the file, I press enter, then you find out that the file has been successfully changed to JPEG from the top, just like what you see right here. So this is the JPEG file format without affecting the quality of the image. And then this is the HEIC format of the same image without affecting the quality. It's that simple. So this is before, and this is the after right here. Okay, so this is after, and this is the before, which is HEIC, and this is the JPEG format right here. HEIC right here, and the JPEG file format without losing the quality. It's that simple. More useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to convert any file using your window without any external software. Consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.